I'm back at the same place I was the other day in search of owls. Also, what I am looking at the other day that I missed a shot on was the American goldfinch. I brought my gear with me, my chair, and some other stuff. I'm gonna probably hang out at the same spot that I was the other day and see if it comes back. Also, there was a blue heron that flew above me, so hopefully I could find that one too. So let me head down to the spot by the pond and set up and see what we can get. So let's go, come along. Alright, I'm gonna stop at this hide for a bit. Right here. So here's some birds. So I'm gonna stop here for a little bit, maybe about 15-20 minutes. See if I could catch up some nice images. So I'm gonna sit up here for a bit and see what comes along. I hear him. I'm just gonna hang out here maybe 20 minutes, make it settle down a little bit, because I was hearing them. There was a lot of bird noise here, a lot of chirping, but as soon as I started setting up, everything stopped. So I'm gonna chill a little bit and let the things calm down, and hopefully they come back and put some food down near perches that I want them to land on, and see what we can get. Alright guys, this is where I was the other time. I think my video just uploaded today. I upload every other day. That's where I saw the blue heron go. So, but yeah, I'm gonna head around the other side of the lake and set up over there, and then I'll work my way down this way. So there's just some nice trees over there on the other side, so I think I can get some nice shots. Alright, let's go. I just made it here. Look at this beautiful tree behind me. That is amazing. I'm gonna set my I'm gonna set right here. See if I can get any birds to perch around here, because it's a really good area. Let me see. Yeah. Give me 1 second. I just set up my my camera gear. I gotta come here next time with a blind and just spend all day here. Set it up early in the morning and just spend all day, because there's a lot of chirping over here. So especially by that tree right here, guys. See that tree? That tree is gorgeous. So I hear him. So we're just gonna have to wait, and hopefully we get a good picture. I really wanted to take a picture of this American goldfinch. the sun behind me, so hopefully they fly in front of me, not behind me. Alright guys, I think that's it for the day. I am gonna head out. Everything slowed down. It was good. A couple of pictures and some good video. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for today.